That's the light reflecting off the weather vane off the top of the sky. That light up there, she said, was the moon, but what it is, it's the light of the torches bouncing off the weather vane, which is brass on the top of the church.
So I was waiting for the fireworks to fall down. Yeah, I haven't even got a clue.